The 2025 MG HS is rapidly approaching. Budget brand to transition to a more premium position with its new midsize SUV competitor to the Toyota RAV4. The second-generation 2025 MG HS midsize SUV, which may arrive in Australian showrooms earlier than anticipated, is expected to feature a greater amount of standard equipment and technology. However, prices have also increased. Giles Belcher, the Chief Commercial Officer of MG Motor Australia, stated to Car Sales, "We are committed to value, and value does not necessarily equate to being the most affordable." This statement may indicate that the brand's inexpensive and cheerful image is coming to an end. Belcher stated that the new MG HS would introduce comparable advancements in terms of standard features, technology, safety equipment, and pricing to its archaic predecessor, just as the recently released 2024 MG3 hatch did. Therefore, the vehicles we introduce may be more costly, however, the value equation will remain constant, and you will receive a significantly greater quantity of vehicle for your investment. The new HS will be the next chapter in MG's evolution from a bargain basement brand in Australia, where it is the top-selling Chinese brand ahead of compatriots GWM Haval and Chery. Additionally, at least a dozen new Chinese brands will appear by the end of 2025. Belcher stated, "It is always a delicate balance, that type of equation. However, we are confident that the market will recognize the enhanced value we will incorporate into our vehicles." The 2025 MG HS suite will include advanced safety technology, more interior space, and dual 12.3-inch high-definition digital displays. The 2025 MG HS is slightly wider, 1,890mm, and longer, 4,636mm, than its predecessor, as well as the Toyota RAV4, the nation's preferred midsize SUV. This should result in increased cargo and passenger capacity. Initially, it will be available exclusively with petrol engines and will be accompanied by the brand's 7-year/unlimited km vehicle warranty. It is expected to appear in the country as early as September. The new Hyundai Tucson competitor will almost certainly surpass the current model's $32,990 to $43,990 drive-away price range for petrol models, although MG Motor Australia executives declined to provide pricing information. The 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed marked the international premiere of the new generation MG HS, which is now only a few months away from its arrival in Australia. We will introduce that vehicle to the Australian market within the next 2 to 3 months. Akshat Ahuja, Senior Product Manager at MG Motor Australia, stated, "That is our objective, it is approaching us rapidly." The current MG HS range includes 2 plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, variants, which are priced at $49,690 and $53,690 drive-away. However, the all-new competitor for the GWM Haval H6 will commence operations in Australia with 1.5 and 2.0-litre turbo petrol 4-cylinder engines. "We are currently concentrating on the launch of the petrol-powered models," Ahuja stated to Car Sales. He also affirmed that the other, PHEV, powertrains would be introduced at a later date. It is evident that there are additional versions of that vehicle, however, they are currently being assessed for our market.